langsung kena.
Hello, welcome to Top Hazard Airsoft channel. This is a 1 vs 1 battle with only $20 spring airsoft shotguns. Let's see how these shotguns work in CQB Arena. From this footage, it seems that a BB grazed near my camera, but I didn't feel it, so I didn't call the hit. Let's give this sound point to player 1, but let's see what happens next.
Kena. Wow.
Well, he changed his mind finally. Took him long enough. I didn't see where player 1 was, but the camera did.
Hit, aw. Dengkul.
I used to be an airsoft player until I took a BB in the knee. Meme quote aside, this shot gave my knee a bruise which lasted for about 2 weeks.
Langsung kena. Langsung one hit. Wow. Hah? Gue salah, gue sana. Gue cuma nembak sekali dong modal. What?
One shot, one kill. Also, turns out player 1's camera cracked from the shot. Guess you could say I'm a crack shot? That's all I have for this video. If you want to see another shotgun versus shotgun battle, I recommend this video next. See you on the next video.
Lu nggak ngefur kan ini?